What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built. So we're just taking a look at Quant here, and as you can see, it just does continue to absolutely just perform extremely well. We're basically forming what seems to be a little range like this as well, which is now being back tested by the recent price action. The current price at around $370. Quant just seems to keep going, doesn't it? It's looking absolutely fantastic. You can see the whole time that the market was bearish here, where the market was doing something like this for the most part for a lot of cryptos. Quant has just been going upwards and upwards, not only in a channel, but actually breaking out of the channel here, back testing the 20 and then just absolutely exploding to the upside. So pretty clear that Quant has been showing a massive amount of strength. This is probably largely to do with a lot of the supply getting locked up very soon, and the total circulating supply is very low anyway. Generally showing, there's a massive supply shock for Quant at the minute, and the demand is sky high right now. We've got a $5 billion market cap now. I think we bought this crypto back when it was, what was it? Maybe $30, $40, $50, and now it's at like almost $400. And this was really recently, like a few months ago. So you can see just how crazy this price action has actually been. We obviously had this range looking something like this. We were stuck in this range for a long time. We come down for that one last back test. We just break out, back testing our EMAs all the way up. We come all the way up, we break out of our channel, we back test the EMAs, we break out again, we back test the EMAs again, and then we just absolutely run away with things, don't we? Just explode to the upside like an absolute beast. You can see here we come up to around, what was that $385 level. We come down and we make a little range like this. We actually did form somewhat of a bull flag like this as well, a lot of people were looking at as well. And you can see we've actually broken out of this level again. We came up to around $430, and now we're just back testing that previous level of resistance, flipped into support of this range here, which is looking, very bullish. And there's really not much to say about Quant at this point other than that it's doing extremely well. You can see quite clearly from this price action it's doing very well indeed. There are, potentially some bearish divergences here with our price action coming up, our RSI coming down, but the momentum to the upside is increasing overall, as you can see. And if this continues with the supply shock that we're seeing for Quant, we could potentially be seeing a very big squeeze to the upside if things continue how they are. So we'll just talk about some short-term price predictions then. It does look as though to the downside, we are retesting this level here around $355, this previous swing high area as support now. But if we do fall back inside this channel, we've obviously got this range, we've obviously got the bottom of the range looking very strong support along with the 20. If we come down and back test this would be very nice for a bounce. And if we did have a big rollover in the market, we've also got the 55 coming up with that previous channel high as well, coming in at around that $250-ish level. Obviously the bottom of that range that we just previously mentioned coming in at around 290 as well. These would both be good areas for a bounce in our opinion. And if we do start coming up to that level, as we said in our previous video, around $432 again over the next few days, do anticipate another little run up for Quant. Probably to potentially $500-ish would be our next psychological target. So, and as we keep saying, with this massive supply shock that we are seeing for Quant and the huge demand that we're seeing as well, we do think realistically over $1,000 is very likely at this point, which is just over it's about a 2.5x from the current price basically. Maybe even going upwards of $1,500, $2,000 by the end of this bull run, and then into the future, God knows how high this thing could go because it is a top quality project. So that's it guys, we'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.